This is going to be so cool. I hope we don't get attacked by pirates, though.
Or the Kraken.
What's a kraken?
Well, if you see it, you'll know.
But tell me, I'm curious now.
We don't have time for that, Misfortune. Just forget it.
But now I'll think about it forever. Kraken, if you appear in front of me, I will see you. And if I see you, I will know it is you. See, Kraken, come up in front of me right now. What's a freaking Kraken? Hey, this place is very quiet. Is one allowed to talk? Anyway, I was thinking, is the Kraken available for petting? You know, like some pet doggies, some pet kitties. I want to pet the Kraken, if it's possible.
Well, I heard you could lure it out with fish.
With fish, you say? Well, I don't have any fish on me. I guess I won't be petting the Kraken. Was that the fish from the bridge? I think he's happy because I saved him. You remember I saved him from the bridge? Remember?
Yes, I remember.
Did you see the kiss he gave me? On my mouth? Because he was in love with me. Because I saved him. Somebody loves me. Hey, Mysterious. Are you taking me now to the house of Benjamin? You know, that blue-eyed, soft, fluffy fox who happens to be a great artist and stole my happiness? You don't seem to want to talk about it. And why is that you collect coins? That's how you pay for your rent and food, right?
Misfortune, just leave him alone.
No, he wants to hear. Anyway, do you like to eat sushi? I know about sushi because I have a Japanese ghost friend. By the way, can you speak Japanese? I need some translations. Do you know what this means? Kiri wa doko desu ka? So you don't know, huh? You know, I have never been outside this late by myself. Do you go outside by yourself this late every day? Are you going to eat my chocolate coin? Because I'm a bit hungry.
Stop talking.
Why should I stop talking? Nobody else is talking. Hey, Mysterious, where are you going? Oh no, can he swim? Hello?
That's what happens when little ladies ask too many questions. It makes people want to drown themselves.
Stupid. I'm pretty sure he'll be fine. Look, we have arrived. Check that out. It's the toy graveyard, I'm telling you.
Whatever you say, Misfortune.
What time is it? It's getting really dark. Mr. Voice, are you there? Hello?
There's something wrong here. Something very wrong.
What's wrong, Mr. Voice? What do you mean?
It's coming. Hide. Hide.
I don't know what you're playing, but if you scare me, I'll close my eyes. Ada? Check this out, Stony. This is your family, see? From the woods. Say hello. And now, say bye-bye, baby Stony, because we're leaving. Oh, damn it. My little foot got
Oh, Misfortune, slow down. What are you running away from? Is it the fox? I'm pretty sure it was the fox.
No, it's the monster. I saw it again.
You don't know what you're talking about.
Yes, I do. I saw it.
Don't make any sudden moves. Don't touch her with your filthy paws, you beast.
Stop it. You're scaring him away. Don't leave, Benjamin.
Please, Misfortune, stop and listen to me. There's something I need to tell you. If you keep running, you'll end up badly hurt, and I don't want that. You're too important.
But I want to find Benjamin. He was nice to me.
Trust me, he's dangerous. Stop running, please.
What's this?
Really? You don't remember me saying if you keep running, you'll end up hurt?
Uh-huh.
I know I could have been more specific, like, there's a bear trap up ahead. Stop or you will be hurt. But I felt like getting straight to the point.
Okay, thank you. Who left a bear trap here anyway? I haven't seen any bears.
Well, I don't want to point any fingers, but it was obviously the fox. Also, I don't like the fox. I have what you call foxophobia.
Is that true?
Yes, I swear. Now, let's focus on the eternal happiness again.
All right. Oh, this makes me think about Babsy, you know? Did I show you Babsy the teddy in the secret spot? He will be very sad to know about this, you know? These bear traps, because he's a teddy bear. He lives in a world of fantasy where there are no bear traps. And if he will go in the woods, he will see this and not know he's dying. Now I see Babsy being killed by a bear trap. That's how it is now. He's dead. Babsy died.
What are you talking about?
About Babsy, don't you listen?
Let's keep going now, Misfortune.
Bye, Babsy. Trapped dead in the bear trap. Let's see what this... It's stuck. Huh. The illumination of Primate will dissolve the filth of the beyond. Oh, really interesting. The games you enjoy, you can have them all. Oh, nice.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
So, Misfortune, I have a couple of questions for you. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Wonderful. Now, just be honest and think about it before answering. First question. Do you believe in magic?
Yes, I do. When Mommy and Daddy scream, I go to my secret hiding spot. And in my secret spot, they never drink juice and never scream at me. That's magical, don't you think?
Oh, yes. Yes, it is, my sweet child. Moving on. Second question. Do you trust me?
I guess I can only hear you in my head, and I trust my own head, so yeah.
That makes me so happy to hear, Misfortune. Well, anyway, now for the third question. Are you afraid of dying?
because all dead people I know never came back from being dead. So it must be pretty cool to be dead.
Well, I guess you'll find out when you die. Looks like there's going to be a storm.
Oh no, I hope it doesn't rain that much. I don't like my feet getting wet. I'm a little lady, you know.
Hey, look at that. I think we're here.
Benjamin,
Stay cool, Misfortune.
I'm cool.
I'll keep an eye out here while you go inside and look for clues. I'm sure that Fox has hidden the eternal happiness here. Make sure the cabin is empty, and if you see the fox, run.
All right. Oh, it looks like Benjamin's good at cutting wood. He must be so muscular. Be brave, Misfortune. Okay, I will look around. Maybe I can find my eternal happiness. If Benjamin has it, I ask him to share the prize with us, and everything will be fine. Is this Benjamin's? He got some sweet style. I like it. Wow, a video player. Fancy! Let's see. Benjamin's on TV? Is that the monster? Damn it, I broke Benjamin's tape. Maybe I can fix it. Happiness to the video player! Ah, what a cozy couch. Is that Benjamin's diary? I'm just gonna have a little look inside. By Benjamin Johannelius Red Fox. I knew his name was Benjamin. So Benjamin's not from open fields? I bet he has an accent. I love that in a fox. Parasite, you say? Who are the victims? What gang? Benji's afraid of the parasite? Oh, poor Benji. Missing? A voice? It's the monster! Big trouble? Misfortune? But that's me. I bet he's in love with me. All this again? Oh, check out Benji's stick. Yes, I know how to talk. He loves me. If Benji has a boss, he has a job. Then I can be married to him. It looks like Benjamin likes to educate himself. I like that in a fox. It looks like Benjamin likes to educate himself. I like that in a fox. That tea smells like roses and lemon. I bet it's called Benjamin's Blend. Because I can almost smell his paws blending the ingredients. Maybe I should try it out. definitely tastes like his fluffy balls. Mmm, delicious. Ugh, I feel weird. Oh. Benjamin? Peanut butter? What? Oh. Look at that. Benjamin looks so pretty in that hat. Benjamin, I'm really sorry I broke your video player, but you stole the eternal happiness. It was promised to me if I beat the game. I really want it back. We can totally share it if you want. Are you afraid of the thunder, Benjamin? Don't worry. You can hold my hand if you want to. Oh, what are you? Is this a kiss? Is this really happening? What is that? Your diary. I'm sorry if you're upset because I read it, but I was curious. Is it the monster in your diary you're afraid of? I think I saw him too.
You can't hide the children.
Are you rescuing me, Benjamin? Like if I was a girl in trouble? Benjamin, where did you go? Oh no, is this Benjamin? There's a hole behind the painting. Hello? I can't reach it. I'm a little lady. So shocked. Time to use my ninja skills. Shh, little butt crack. Be quiet. This is a ninja mission. Benjamin, are you here? So it was Benjamin placing this, but Benjamin seems so nice. Maybe he put them for that monster. Kind of fish balls? This is like sushi balls. It's locked. A picture of a key. Interesting. My ninja senses are telling me to climb up on this chair. A real ninja lady always touches everything. A secret button. Alright then, I push the button. That was easy. Alright, time to find Benji. Oh. Oh, that was unfortunate. I hope things get better when I get the Eternal Hub. Okay, Misfortune. Let's finish this. Get up, Misfortune. You are stronger than you think. You've been knocked down before. Did you let that stop you? Get up, Misfortune. You can do it. Because you are the little lady Misfortune. Okay, I'm out again. Anyone here? Benji? Mr. Voice? I guess I'm alone. Oh, a baby deer. So sweet. Dream come true. I'm petting the baby deer. Is that Benjamin's bag? Benjamin? Are you around? He must be in trouble.
I'm very disappointed in you, Misfortune.
Ah, there you are. Hey, have you seen Benjamin? I think he's in trouble.
Didn't you hear what I just said? I'm very disappointed in you.
Mr. Voice, please, stop playing games. You have lied to me all the time, and that's very sucky. I trusted you.
What are you talking about?
I read what Benjamin wrote in his diary. All of it. You're the one taking the children, and I'm not the hero of this game, right? I guess the eternal happiness was all a lie.
Stop this nonsense. We have to keep playing my game.
You can't make me.
Yes, I can.
Stop that.
Then play with me. You need to find your eternal happiness. I'll give you a clue. It's at home, waiting for you.
I'm sick of that eternal happiness. I don't want it anymore.
You can't say that. That would break the rules.
You heard me. I don't want the eternal happiness anymore.
I won't tolerate this behavior. I'll be waiting for you at home.
Now, tell me where Benjamin is. What did you do to him? Freaking monster. Let's see what's inside. Maybe a clue where to find Benjamin. The parasite. Paint? I like to paint. With the what? Now I will never know. At the end of the road, you will realize you already signed the deal. A deal, you say? Is that Benjamin as a baby? Oh, so cute. All right, I guess I'll take the train back home. Now when I look at this, I can see what Benjamin tried to warn me about. He knew all along. Such a foxy boy. Okay, I'll wait here. Waiting for a little while. Okay, I'm gonna talk to myself. So, Misfortune, how have you been? Okay, I have this weird day. I saw monsters, I saw dolls, I saw Benjamin, and then I went to the zoo and everything was everywhere. And then I realized Mr. Voice had lied to me a lot. And he took Benjamin, and now I'm alone. I don't like being alone. Wow, sounds like you had one hell of a day, Misfortune. The train is here. It was a nice chat, Misfortune. Talk to you later. You go, girl. I wish I had my coloring book with me. Hello, Hiro. I didn't recognize you. Such a coincidence that you're on the same train as me. You know, I had a big fight with the silly voice in my head. But I don't think it's a voice anymore. I'm sure it's the monster. I saw it in a book at Benjamin's place. Really creepy. Have you ever heard voices in your head? I know, Hiro. What does it mean? It's the monster! Leave Hiro alone! Hiro! Oh, my hand! No! Hiro! I hope I get to see Hiro again. I wonder what that monster did to him. Now I have to walk all the way back home alone. This is the last time I follow a voice in my head. If Benjamin was here, he would walk with me. Benjamin was warning me all the time, but I couldn't see it. I wanted that eternal happiness so bad. I'm a silly little lady. That's where I am. Oh. At least I had fun at Phantasmagoria. I'm gonna tell Mommy about it. Oh. Oh. Excuse me. I'm talking over here. Well, if that's how you treat little ladies, then give yourself a fuck